Hello, today we are going for a different subject. So actually I'm going to the JavaScript world. So in JavaScript there is a very important interview question, closure. So closure is a function having access to parent scope even after the parent function has closed. So we can see how a closure will work here. So I'm just creating a new file here. So I can give a name like basic .js. Okay, inside that what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new function. So I'm going to create a self-invoking functions. So it will start with this one, and I will have a function denotation. Then inside that I will have curly brackets. Then here I have a, yeah. So we are good right now. So I just create a function. So and right now I am creating a variable here. So I'm giving a name of counter or something, and I am assigning a value here, and I have a return function here. What return function will do is just check the just increment the counter, and it will return that particular counter. Counter is a value, so it's an integer value, so it's returning that. So right now I'm here right now what I am going to do is I am calling that JavaScript function here. So add, let's see what will be the output. So here I am going to run my code. Okay, nothing printed out here. So basically what I need to do is probably, so this one is returning the counter. Okay, let's see how it will work. Console. Okay, yeah. Okay, console.log. Run code. So nothing print out. So what I'm going to do is console.log. I'm just printing here to make sure the counter is incrementing. So it's like a static variable. So yeah, right now we can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I got 4. Just commenting this one, what I will get. Okay, yeah, the old one was correct. So I'm returning that result. So right now 3. So I'm commenting out this one, and I'm commenting this one. What I'm going to get? Just clear output, run this code. So I'm getting the 4, so it's returning the exact counter. So that's way. So basically I'm calling this function, just calling the add function, but it initially it's set into 0, then it's incrementing that one. So even if it is a different call, the counter is incrementing. So that's a thing in closure. So there is no clear definition, but the definition is the simplest definition that I got is closure is a function having access to the parent scope even after the parent function has closed. So how it will happen is a tricky question. There that you need more understanding about how JavaScript work in runtime. So there is an executor space and a lexical scope. So we need to go through that to understand that thing. So for an interview purpose or something, this much is enough. So basically, they will give you a question like this one and ask you what will be the output. So you need to make sure for anonymous functions they can access their parent scope.